काल इतलो पळयत जाल्यार there was a huge protest as far as this double rail track and everything was concerned in Vasco. Even everybody has been demanding for totally scrapping on this. CM सांगले at the moment it was because of this huge protest and it was kept on hold. What is your say?
My say is very clear. In times of COVID, when people have no money, no food to eat, no proper things, healthcare is at stake. आणि हे टायमाचेर तुमी हें कोत्ताय, हियरींग कोत्ताय, totally wrong. What is the hurry in times of COVID to do this? People from Valsam are good people. They are calm people. Why are bringing them to the road unnecessary? They are silent people also. They have never made noise about anything else. So government should stop this henceforth. Wait for some time. Take people into confidence and do it. People are objecting to coal. People don't want coal. People are already upset about the coal thing. So I think we should keep it on abeyance. Damage to environment is the main focus of the people of Goa. So आमगे रिक्वेस्ट हा की गव्हर्मेंटान फोकस करचें फॉर सेफ्टी ऑफ एनवायरमेंट. कोरोना जालें प्लस पावसान कितें डॅमेज जाली ती अख्खी खबर आहा. In spite of that, you are not doing it. I think it is wrong. Government is missing out. Government should listen to the voice of the people. If the government doesn't listen, this is just first signs for the government. Wait for some time. And I will always be with the people, come what may. Let them say what they want to me. Let them insult me, let them say what they want. आमगे मोग आहा तो गोंयांक, गोंयकारांक आनी गोंयच्या मातयेक no one can take. Come what may. These few fellows who comment on it, God bless them.
But
Let them go on commenting. We will continue our work. We will fight for the interests of Goa. And मुझे एक मांगने आ सकता है. Let's all unite to fight. Let's send one message across that you don't take us for granted.
okay, but what is your say? सगळे लोक म्हणटा स्क्रॅप कर आनी अभयांसान वो हें करपाचें उरलां. It should be totally scrapped.
The double tracking acquisition should be stopped. No more double tracking. As it is single tracking जाचे पडकोलोय तोच पुरो डॅमेज जातो. तो कोणे हाडायलो ना. आनी अनकोन तुमी आमगेले भितर हिंटरलँड्स, रिवरवेज भितर गांव पेडी करपाक सोदताय तुमी जेटीज बी कोन. इवन तुगेलो हो धवलीकार पासून उठवलो जेटीज कोत्ताय म्हणून सांगो लागलो. Everything should stop. And by the way, this is a fight up till the end. No question of government will be allowed to do what they want. It is not possible for government to run away. It is not possible. I challenge the government to do what they want. Let us see.
1 year
It's open challenge to the government. Why? Because people are not. Don't take this काल आमदार आहले आणि वाटले लोक वाटले. It is not so simple. If government is going to play with the fire, if government wants to play with fire, go ahead. Be prepared.
Okay, second thing is that even this, the Melawal issues down, the Mole issues down, everywhere we can see opposition. You think government should seriously think on this because it's final people's voice?
See, there is a trust factor which is lost, and it is fueling even more. If government does something to gain the trust, then it's okay. Otherwise, the matter is finito.
And one side we talk about development, the government talks about development. Other side, तुम्ही कुडतोरी सानिंगा येता देखून पळयत जाल्यार रस्ते.
Development at the cost of environment, henceforth, no one will take it. It is not possible. आणि आम्ही आजपासून आम्ही करून दिवपाक नाही. आमी खंयच्या लेवलार वचपाक रेडी आहाय. Forget about anybody who is going to say what they want and do what they want against us. Please. मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी लोकांनी म्हाका निवडून हाडला. आय एम ग्रेटफुल. तेणी म्हाका निवडून हाडला म्हणून आज म्हाका हे इश्यू घेवपाक मेळटा. म्हणजे थिंग पासून जायतो हें चालू आहा. नो प्रॉब्लेम. आय एम कूल एज अ cool bird.
Okay. What is your say on this present condition of roads?
Roads, I think we have to seriously take this issue, and जे रोड डॅमेज जाले ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरा कडेन तेगे डॅमेज तेंगेली रिपेर करून घेवपा जाय फूल फॉर्म. इवन आय हॅव आयडेंटिफायड सम रोड्स इन माय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी पावसान दिले गेले ते हांव पत्ते करूंक लायतलो. तो कोण ना कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर हांव पत्ते करूंक लायतलो. इट इज वन थिंग श्युअर, आय विल रायट and get it done, and if they don't do it I will complain.
No, but is it not a serious concern? I mean, one side accident आयचे वयर उलयता पूण मारगांव सान हिंगा येतले
But
रस्ते.
ब्रिजी पोंदा पडतो रोड पडपेडे जाला कोर्ताली junction, it is because of the bridge work. That entirely you cannot complain about the authorities. Work is going on. एक पट वर्ड कंप्लीट जाले मागीर सारकें जाता. बट बेज पड्या ती आत पडोंक जाय. बेज सारकें ना जाल्यार मागीर तो रोड सोदां पिड्यार जातलो. आय एम नॉट कन्सर्न नाव, आय एम कन्सर्न अबाउट द फ्युचर मोर. तेगे बेज जो तो सारकें ना जाल्यार मुखार आनी तें बरें जावपा ना. सो I would expect the government to take up work of that reconstruction of the, I mean, construction of new roads. They अजून तिका रोड न्ही ते अजून तिका रोड न्ही. रोड जालो ना. कंस्ट्रक्शन पड्या तेजे सारको बरो रायट अंडरस्टँड आनी बरो जावपा जाय, ना जाल्यार मुखार फ्युचर डॅमेज जाता. सी द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ बिर्ला रोड फ्रॉम टायटन शोरूम टू वास्को विच वॉज डन बाय द अमित. थिंग कित्याक पोटहोल पडनाय, थिंग कित्याक जायना, बिकॉज तेंच सारकें ना. हिंग प्रोसेस सारको ना. सो प्रोसेस पड्या तो सारको करपाक PWD should focus. PWD should focus on जो रोड बिल्ड जाता आज सान सारको जावपा जाय, ना जाल्यार जावपा जायना.
How do you see this law and order situation in the present scenario? Like parties are happening, no mask, then other incidents.
मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट म्हणजे तुगे पार्टी खबर सोड. आतां हेच्यान ड्रग्स रेड मारले, सिलेक्टिव ड्रग्स रेड मारले काय हांव विचार असो दिता. हितून तेम चीफ मिनिस्टर असेंब्ली सांगतालो, यू गिव अस न्यूज, यू गिव अस सिक्रेट इन्फॉर्मेशन, वी विल रेड. Why only now raids have started? I am one fellow who is taking right in earnest the issue of drugs. I have given information. I have seen persons who I have identified, and in the process of identification have got more informations. They have been raided, but raid सारजाल नाही, recovery सारजाल नाही. I am not happy with what is going on with the police. तुमकां जाय जाल्यार ती पर्वरी मर्डर केस तुमचे कडेन सॉल्व करपा जाली. कितू मर्डर केसीस जाले त्यो कित्याक सॉल्व जाल नाही. ड्रग रेट थोड्यो कित्याक मायज जालो नाही. वॉट इज द प्रॉब्लम? हू इज स्टॉपिंग यू? केटमेंट रेड खंय पावली? तुगे बीजेपी मनशां आहाय तांकां तुमी रेड मारनाय. आय एम मेकिंग एन एलिगेशन, सिरियस एलिगेशन. आर यू सिलेक्टिवली टार्गेटिंग पीपल? Raid should be to everybody, not selectively. Raid everybody. I told in my constituency, I told the police, free hand I am giving you, go and raid. I have given information. मागनाका आमगे बुरी पेडे चालले आनी मस्त केलेली. सगळ्यां सारके दारे दवरपा लायला. हांवें पुलिसांक फ्री हँड दिला. राती देखून खंय ड्रिंक मारताय, कोण मस्ती करताय तांकां काडून भिदवड्यो म्हूण. So I am expecting the police, and I am making a charge so that I want more action from the police. I am inciting the police to take more action. I am making these allegations against the police. Go ahead, do more. We have seen, we want Goa to be safe. We want Goa to be safe against criminals. I am shortly taking meetings in my constituency on issues of safety and security, and I would love and pray that no incidents take place in my constituency. I am taking steps in that direction. By next week, I'll have series of meetings about with the law and order. I don't want anything to happen in my constituency. As far as the roads are concerned, I will identify also new places where we have to work, and we will see what best we can do to avoid troubles to our people.
Okay, in the next 1 year, 2 months, there would be assembly elections. If serious issues are not resolved, then how do you see the situation for the political parties?
I think I want to be a master of my unspoken words. I don't want to be slave of my spoken words. So there is still time. I am focused. I want a government, the next government, with me as part of the government, but a people's government, where people will have a good governance, and this atmosphere of you know fighting, going on the streets should stop. A government which will really focus on people. Push kurpa focus kurpa nahi, chorpa focus kurpa nahi. Because there is no money also. We need a government in these times to be a good government, and I pray that I am able to do justice for people, and I am there in the government where people will have to say na te amge munis and te bhar munis कितें जाल्या कोतले आणि कोण दाखोवपाक मुगे चॅलेंज आसतली सगळ्यांगे. So I want everybody to unite. All people who are fighting, forget about political differences now. Fight for issues of the environment, issues of this, and then government will see there is still time.
But you'll be in the government.
See, being there is ruling opposition is not important, but being there to fight for the interest of Goa, which is close to my heart, no one can take. So I will be there. I prefer to be in the ruling. There is no question. I would prefer to be ruling because we can do work for somebody. कोणाक हेल्प करपा जाता, कोणाक काम करपा जाता. पूण हे चोरपाक आनी कोणागे कितें खावपाक आनी तें कितें हें करपाक I will not be there. And if such government is there, I don't want to be part of it. आमी गोंयकारांक जस्टीस जाय, हितून तें पडत्या टर्मोइल जाला, हें पड 12 वर्सां 5-10 वर्स पड टर्मोइल जाला रायट फ्रॉम 2012 तो बंद जावपा जाय. सुसेग जाय लोकांक, बरो गव्हर्नन्स जाय. कोणागे भाट खावप, कोणागे प्रॉपर्टी चोरप, कोणागे हें करप, कोणागे everything has to stop. I want to be part of such government. I'm looking forward. I'll work towards it also. But we will be with the people.